Welcome to our video tutorial, where we will guide you through registering on our merchant panel. Here you can see our merchant panel, and there are the options for login and register. In this instance, we'll focus on registering. Click on the register page to proceed. As the registration page opens, you'll notice that you have the option to register using social login or social registration, as well as manually. We will go through the manual registration process. Our goal is to create a store for a restaurant. So, let's add the name for our restaurant, entering the name here. Next, we'll input the email ID. After that, you can select the country from the drop-down list. Choose the country where you want to expand your business. Following that, you can add the city from the list as well. It's important to note that the availability of countries and cities depends on the admin's permissions. If the admin has added a specific country or city to the platform, it will be available for selection. Moving on to the type of delivery business, here, you need to specify the nature of deliveries you provide and the business category you are expanding to within a particular city. Since we're registering a restaurant, we will select the restaurant option. Remember, the availability of business categories is also subject to admin approval. After that, we will add the phone number and then set the password. If you have a referral code, you can enter it, not mandatory, but it's there if you have one. We won't be adding any referral code for now. Following this, we'll set the address. Here, we set the address. You can also pinpoint your address on the map or add it manually. After setting the address, we'll save it. Here, we provide the terms and conditions. We'll accept them and proceed to submit. We're now successfully registered. Once registered, we'll proceed to log in. When logging in, you have two options. You can use either your phone number or email. You can also use social media accounts like Facebook or Google. For now, we'll log in manually. Here, we enter our email and the password that was set during registration. The store is defined as a merchant or sub-merchant. This functionality allows us to assign administrative roles to merchants. We can take a tour of the store's functionality. If we select a sub-merchant, they have access to certain functionalities within restricted areas based on verification. Here, we are heading to the merchant section. If you happen to forget your password, you have the option to restore or reset it using the Forgot Password feature. After submitting the required information, we successfully log in. However, at this stage, you will not be able to add any items or categories because you are yet to be approved by our administrator. We are currently awaiting admin approval. Once approved, you will have the ability to add items, categories, and much more. Despite the restrictions, you can still change your merchant name, address, and update your password or images if necessary. If required, your profile is fully editable. You can also submit your documents, update your bank details, and contact the admin for any card information that might be needed. Should you need to make any changes or get in touch with the admin, you can do so easily. We also display your current wallet balance. You can view this at any time. Additionally, your card details are accessible here, and you can add new cards if necessary. This section allows you to view your quality history, and over here is the Redeem Points area. All relevant details are shown on the Accounts page. We are providing a comprehensive registration flow within our platform. This concludes our overview of the merchant registration process. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you have grasped the flow of our registration process. In this system, you are registered as a merchant, whether you run a store for taxis, appointments, or services. The registration functionality is similar across different types of services. For e-commerce, you are also able to register in the same manner. This is how our registration flow works within our platform. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your time and value your interest.